Alright guys, this is going to be my first YouTube video of the channel. My name's Steven. I'm going to be running Streets of America for you guys. Right here we got a YZ85 that we're going to be working on. It's one of my buddies. He mainly bought it for 75, no, it was $100, 120 bucks. All I had to do was clean out the carburetor, put new gas in it, flush the line and everything for it. Start it up, but we had a couple of problems. First things first, it doesn't actually have a kill switch on the bike, so what that means is whenever we started it, I didn't know how it was going to respond. I guess I should have got a kill switch first. But my buddy was sitting on the bike, he started it, he freaked out. I was up here, he was down the driveway, and all I hear is it revving to the moon. So I was like, oh god. So I ran down there, and sure enough, the idle screw on the carburetor was turned all the way up. I was like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I was driving to the moon, but as of right now, we already got the new air filter installed and oiled up and everything on the bike, as you can see right here. So you don't want to do a crazy amount, you just want it. So I always like getting new air filters, and the way you tell you put it on right, it's just all you want is a light blue. That's it. Not too much, not too little. If you put too much, it'll absorb straight into the filter and it'll get all inside of your air boot. You don't want that going into your air intake at all. There we go, nice little blue coat like that. There we go, we got it. Go ahead and install this air filter and I will be right back with y'all. So we got the air filter in, she's all good, she's all oiled up just like my hands are. Go ahead, water brake for it and installed it, but it did not come with port guards or a number plate, so we went ahead and got that for him too. Got a new clutch perch, got levers. We got a whole bunch of knickknacks here. We got a graphics kit for the bike, as you can see here. It's gonna look pretty good. Say I don't want to damage that at all, that's for sure. Let's go ahead and move all this packing over here. Let's see what else we got. Got a handy dandy bolt kit from Bolt. Gotta love them. Has my address on it, don't look at that. And got a new seat cover that we're gonna be putting on. It's a rib seat cover. So yeah, it should be very, very simple to be installing on here. Again, here's another lever right here. What is this? They sent me, I guess this was supposed to be in there. That's nice. Yeah, that was supposed to be in there. So yeah, there's the lever. Went ahead and got this guy ordered up some new levers because both of them on both sides are broken. Don't know why, but I don't know. We should get everything working correctly very, very soon on this motorcycle. It's easily savable. I just realized that they didn't send me the bars yet. Let's see. Where is it? So say, let's see. Yeah, that's my address. Phone number. Let's just not show this. The only thing that they have not sent us yet are the bars. Kind of sucks because I wanted to get this bike finished as soon as possible, but I guess it gives us more time to work on everything else, like putting on the graphics and cleaning out the carburetor again because it's been sitting for an awful long time. Go ahead and go through everything. The gas tank's already cleaned out, it's ready to go. So yeah, I'll actually do the kill switch first. That should be very, very simple to do. Coronavirus. Yeah, so a couple of days ago I just broke this bike down. I wish I would have recorded it, but that would have been like a 5-minute video, so I'm not really going to be doing that. Just go ahead and pull this back up through right here, and it will be going, let's make it go right through here, right here, and it will go right smack dab right here. Okay, that's nice. Go and push this back through. Less slack the better. And that should work out pretty good if I say so myself. You don't want to tangle it, so just put it right there. And she will fit right here perfectly good. It'll be mint. Here is the OEM shifter. I'm going to be going ahead and putting this on the bike in a second. It's nice. Yep, brand new shifter. What do you know? Straight from Yamaha. Yep, that's it. Too bad it didn't come with a bolt. That'd have been nice. I'll go ahead and get the shifter installed, then I'll be back. That is a shifter installed right there, old son. Next thing, fork guards. Yep, they look like fork guards, that's for sure. That is for sure. Let me pull this bad girl out of the package. We'll go ahead and get to installing these bad girls. Next, gonna be the front fender. Gonna go ahead and get our trusty dusty old bolt kit. Right here. We're gonna go ahead and get this old girl rigged up on there. Alright, so we went ahead and got the good old front fender on. This bad son of a gun. Now we're going to go ahead and get the number plate. Go ahead and take it out of the baggie. Now, in my opinion, Acerbis and Polysport are probably the best people who make plastic for motorcycles. Going ahead and putting this bolt in here. Holds the number plate on. Get this bad girl installed. Now the reason why I had to get a new number plate, usually they're savable, you know, but it's because they're literally like a paint. They used a paintbrush to paint it. So same thing with the gas tank. I went ahead and reformed the gas tank with the blade, razor blade. Got it all straightened back out. Got most of the burn marks off of it that was on there before. The gas tank was really bad. I mean, it was in terrible condition. I mean, as you can see from the seat cover, that's how the whole entire bike looked. So it looks so bad. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put the rear fender on. All right, so we got the rear fender on, as you can see right here. All right, so it is the next day. Yesterday, we went ahead and got the front plastics installed. So number plate, fender, front fender, the fork guards, we got all that on. We got the shifter, air filter, got the rear fender on. We got the kill switch on too. It's just hanging there though until I get the new bars. So as of right now, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be going and taking apart this carburetor. Now we have access to the carburetor. Now, right now, I'm just going to go ahead and pull off. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's gas. Yeah, that gas already smells bad. This bike's been sitting for about 3 months already. I'm going to go ahead and pull off these float bowl screws. Oh boy, yep, you see. If y'all didn't see that, there's chunks, literal chunks on the ground right now from this carburetor. Ooh. Yeah, you can see inside of that real good right there. Yeah. No bueno. Yep, you can see all that crap in there. It's not good. Pretty sure that's all from the bottom of the tank beforehand. Stuff that we couldn't get. Oh no, this is jelly. Yeah, it's definitely jelly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this sucker cleaned out and I'll be back with y'all. So the bolt on the carburetor is going to be a 6mm, and we also need a small flathead so we can get the pilot screw out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Be careful with this, you don't want to break it. It is brass, so it's very soft metal. It's super easy to break. There we go. Gonna go and pull this jet out. Oh yeah, that's jelly. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that film on it, but it is jelly, that's for sure. Cannot see through it at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these jets cleaned out, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so we got the carburetor back on the bike. Alright, so first things first, gotta be doing the graphics on the tank. So what you want to do is make sure your hands are super clean. I went ahead and washed them already, and use some alcohol to remove the oils off of my skin. Next, we're going to be getting that alcohol that you used for your hands and putting it into a napkin. Just like that. You don't need a lot. Just need a little bit for coverage. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be cleaning down the tank with alcohol. Just go ahead and getting all the contaminants off of the tank surface so the stickers will apply better, the graphics. I'm going to go and stick it down. Go ahead and apply pressure to it evenly among the area that you have unsticked with the backing off. We're going to go ahead and slightly pull the backing off whenever we are applying pressure all the way around to it, making sure that there's no air bubbles on the graphics or under the graphics. Alright guys, so we got the graphics right here. You can see I messed up in a few spots, but not bad. I haven't done graphics in the longest time, so it really did not come out too terribly bad. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this little side right here. Alright, so now we're going to be installing the gas tank onto the bike. Alright, so we went ahead and put the gas tank on and the shroud on for the radiator, and wow, this bike looks amazing now. Looks way better than what it used to. I mean, everything was faded. All the plastics were painted with like a roller brush. So yeah, this bike looks pretty dang good right now. Obviously on the tank it's still a little bit discolored, but it's nothing crazy. So main thing is making this bike look better, as you can see right here. So yeah, what's next would be the seat cover. So let's go ahead and get started on that now. So I went ahead and finished the seat cover right here. I go ahead and get these mounts back on right here, and then I'll meet you guys back at the bike. Alright guys, so here's the bike. I just got the seat cover and the side panels put on. Only thing we're waiting for now is the bars. So once I get the bars on, I can go ahead and put, obviously put the bars on, put the kill switch on, get new levers, get the new clutch perch put on. Once those are done, then the bike will finally be ready to ride. Alright, so as I was leaving, the UPS guy got here, so this should be the bars for the bike. There we go, we got some blue bars for it, Tusk. So now that we have the bars right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the old ones, and yeah, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, so here's the finished product for now. So we got all the parts that we need to install for looks wise, and well, obviously the levers and everything. But as of right now, the clutch is not engaging, or I guess disengaging. So we're gonna have to look in that some other day. But for now, just take a look at this. This is a sweet ride for a kid. Got new bars. They're Tusk, but it'll have to do, obviously. Got new levers, got some pillow tops. Both sides, got new kill switch. I still need to zip tie this up right here, but just take a look. This is sweet. Got the graphics. Of course, we cannot forget the graphics. Both sides. So yep, this is going to be it for now. Stay tuned for next episode. This is my first episode and first video, so take it easy on me. I'm trying to learn the editing thing and everything. So as now, see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe, and I'm going to be making an Instagram account soon for you guys. So stay tuned and catch you in the next one.